All right, this is my brother-in-law Paul, and he's helping me with my snow machine problem. He agreed to buy it for $100, so he's the new owner of it. And this digging iron is so we can dig it out. We discovered it's thoroughly frozen in the ground, so we're gonna chisel this thing out and load it on his truck. So, are you pleased with your purchase?
I am. Maybe I'll go with you to McGrath now.
That'd be great. Oh, it's coming right out. Good, good. I might make a video tips on how to maintain your snow machine. Well, do you think that'll work? Or, oh yeah.
If I could hook this.
We used to drive truck. We know what we're doing. All right.
Put it in drive. Very good. Now you want to do the accelerator.
Yeah. Is it gone?
Hang on. That can't be a good idea. Come on.
Oh, okay. We could also go on the struts here, probably.
Oh, that.
Yeah. All right, hold on. Let me. You ready?
Found what?
Eggs.
What?
What?
Eggs. Great. All right. Ready? Is it moving?
Yep.
We actually got it loaded in Paul's truck. All right, well, Paul's all strapped up and ready to go.
Yeah, the truck will take me home, then I'll just take the snow machine.
Sounds like a plan.
Maybe. All right. Thank you.
Yep. Hey, we'll see ya.
It was good doing business with you.
Yeah, likewise. I sold Paul a house this morning too.
Yeah, but we're more excited about the stuff.
Can I try it?
Let's go for a rip. Oh. I should have an enclosed cab, I guess. Over here's a pond. What? Alright.
We're on the pond now.
Yeah, well, there's some little islands and some tufts of grass. Here's another pond. I wonder when I walked in here, probably lose. It's like,
Yeah. that?
Next week I'm planning to bring some new sleds home, so stay tuned to see what those will be.